Hey everyone, it's Eric with All Pro Trailer Superstore. Today we're talking about this Big Tex 22 GN gooseneck equipment trailer. This Big Tex 22 GN gooseneck is 30 foot overall. The wood deck behind me here is 25 feet. The beavertail also adds an extra 5 feet. And when the ramps are laid down, you can load on top. The Big Tex 22 GN model comes with tandem 10,000 pound axles and dual wheels. The GVW on the 22 GN is 23,900 pounds. Empty weight on this model is about 7,500, so bringing the payload just north of 16,000. The 22 GN comes with the patented Demco Easy Latch coupler. Also comes equipped with dual 12,000 pound drop leg jacks. And you also get a front toolbox, which is great for storing chains, chain binders, ratchet straps. This gooseneck also comes with 2 fold down steps, one on each side, grab handles to get up on the deck. The mega ramps are full width, which is great for equipment that have different track widths. Self-clean beavertail measures 5 feet. So when the ramps are laid down, you actually have 10 feet of transition on top of the trailer. The mega ramps do come with a spring assist, taking most of the weight off the ramp. The updated model also comes with loading lights and a spare tire standard. Big Tex is also going to come with a rub rail and stake pockets down both sides. Gives you plenty of options for tie down points. All right. This model comes in a variety of sizes. The most popular are 25, 30, 35, and 40 feet. The link for this model will be in the description below. For more information, visit our website, trailersuperstore.com. Thanks for watching.